First, you need to solve the first color together with the first layer. Then you need to solve the top. Remember that the white is the bottom, yellow is the top. If this is the pattern at the top with one yellow, you need to do this algorithm in this yellow part facing at you, like this one in 3x3. Solve the yellow top. Then you see that you also solve the other color, which is green. Paste it at do this algorithm. Then you're happy. Solve the 2x2 Rubik's Cube. The pattern of the yellow is in here in the second layer. This is pair, this is pair. You need to do this algorithm. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then the yellow is on the top. If the top is have a pair and the other color is at the second layer towards opposite direction, you need to do this algorithm where the yellow is at the left facing at you. You need to do this at the bottom part. This algorithm. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then solve the yellow top. The top has two colors opposite to each other. You need to do this algorithm in the yellow part facing at you at the bottom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Solve the yellow. When the color at top is a pair and the other color is on the second layer and it's also a pair, you need to do this algorithm with the two colors facing at you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And solve the top color. When your top color is at the second layer, this is a pair and the other color is opposite towards each other. You need to do this algorithm where the pair color is at the left part. Solve the yellow part. When the bottom is solved, on the top is solved, and now second layer is solved. You need to do this algorithm in any part